You know what destroys most relationships? It's not cheating, it's not losing attraction, it's communication, or rather, the lack of it. Two people can love each other deeply and still drift apart because they don't know how to speak to each other in a way that builds connection instead of walls. So today, I'm going to expose 5 communication mistakes couples make and how to fix each one before it breaks something that could have lasted a lifetime. Mistake number 1. Talking to win, not to understand. Most couples don't have conversations. They have competitions. Each person tries to prove they're right instead of trying to understand. But love isn't about winning arguments. It's about winning peace. The fix. When things get heated, stop asking, "How do I prove my point?" Ask, "What are they trying to feel heard about?" Understanding doesn't mean agreeing. It means respecting their experience enough to listen before you speak. Mistake number 2. Expecting mind reading. You can't expect your partner to know what's wrong if you don't say it. Silent treatment, cold distance, or sarcastic comments only build confusion. People aren't mind readers. They're human beings. The fix. Say what you feel without blame. Instead of, "You never care about me," say, "I feel disconnected when we don't spend time together." The difference is subtle, but it turns conflict into communication. Mistake number 3. Talking at the wrong time. Timing is everything. Arguing when emotions are high is like pouring gasoline on fire. The goal isn't to talk first, it's to talk right. The fix. If you're angry, take a pause. Walk away, breathe, let your body calm down. Then come back to the conversation with a clear head. You'll be surprised how differently the same topic feels once your heart rate slows. Mistake number 4. Dismissing feelings. A phrase like, "You're overreacting," or "That's not a big deal," can cause damage you don't see. When someone opens up emotionally, they're not asking for logic. They're asking for safety. The fix. Validate before you correct. Say, "I get why you feel that way," before offering your perspective. When people feel seen, they become softer, more open, more willing to listen in return. Mistake number 5. Not speaking love in their language. Every person has their own emotional language. Some need words, some need time, some need touch. But when you only give love the way you want to receive it, you end up missing the way they understand it. The fix. Learn your partner's love language. Ask, "What makes you feel most loved?" Because when you speak love in a language they understand, that's when connection becomes effortless. Closing. Emotional wrap. At the end of the day, communication isn't about perfect words. It's about honest presence. It's about being real enough to listen, humble enough to admit mistakes, and strong enough to speak truth without breaking connection. The couples that last aren't the ones who never argue. They're the ones who never stop learning how to understand each other. Because love isn't a battle to win. It's a bridge you build, one conversation at a time.